YouTube? It's your girl Zizzy Norway, and I am here with another YouTube video. Go ahead and thumbs up this video. Let YouTube know that you guys love me so much. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit subscribe, and then I want you to press that bell so that you can get notifications for whenever I upload a video. So I talked to you guys earlier, and I told you guys what I was going to do tonight. Tonight's special video was one that was highly requested. I don't know about how many people, but I've seen the comment a few times. And so I was like, let me do this. And it's kind of weird, but I got like a weird thing about me that y'all don't know. So anyways, so somebody wanted me to make a video inducing sneezes. They wanted to see me sneeze. That's crazy, right? They wanted me to induce sneezes. So even though it's a weird thing, but I was like, that's totally doable because I'm allergic to perfume. And whenever I'm getting ready to go somewhere and I spray on perfume, I sneeze. And it doesn't matter which brand of perfume. I think for me, it's, I don't know. I think it's, if it's eau de parfum. If it says eau de parfum, I think I'm going to sneeze. If it's eau de toilette, I think I'm not going to sneeze. But I got a lot of perfumes here, and y'all, I'm so cheap. A lot of off-brand perfumes here, lots. And we're gonna just go through them and see what induces a sneeze. So the person that requested the sneeze video, this one's for you. I hope you enjoy it. You guys, I want you to count how many times I sneeze. So yeah, let's get started. So this one here is, I guess it doesn't matter. Should I tell y'all what these are? This one's called Precious Gold. It's our version of Versace Yellow Diamond. Some of these I'm not even gonna know. I'm not gonna do that. Screw that. But let's see if this one makes me sneeze. This one is a, I don't know. Ooh, it's fancy. Oh, no, it says it right there. Eau de parfum. All right, y'all, let's see. My kids are making noise, so I don't know. Hope it doesn't. I'm just gonna spray it in the air. I don't want to spray myself because that's going to be strong as hell. Okay. Nothing. Okay, this one doesn't make me sneeze. Okay. Put that one to the side. That did not make me sneeze. If this is the real Body Fantasies body spray, it's in baby powder scent, powdery baby cotton. Some of these I fill with water, and I use to spray my daughter's hair. So I don't know if this is the real one or if this is water. Let's find out. If this is the real one, I usually always sneeze. It is. Ah! And that's literally how I sneeze. I was watching a video of this girl. Oh, I was about to sneeze. It was right there, y'all. Eyes got watery. Don't you hate when you had a good sneeze coming and it doesn't come? But I was watching this video of this girl. She knows how to induce sneezing. I can't remember if she was on My Strange Addiction. She was on something. But she puts her hair in her nose, and that's what makes her sneeze. See, this is hurting my nose. I feel I got the like sneeze sensation, but I think me talking isn't gonna allow me to sneeze. All right, that's enough of that one. Let me see what the next one will do. Lord, y'all, I'm gonna be stinking. What, you know, I smell good kind of way. I know this is like a version of flamingo something. This one smells so good. It doesn't make me sneeze. I don't want to break it. It doesn't make me sneeze though. Let me see. Juniper Breeze, Bath and Body Works. Let me just spray in the air. I don't want this all over me. Look. I just knew I'd be sneezing more, y'all. This one doesn't make sense either. I'm gonna have a hell putting that back. What if my sense? I wonder if I can't sneeze back to back. My daughter's out there sneezing. It's probably coming under the door. She is sensitive just like me. This one doesn't make me sneeze either. Damn. I just knew I'd be sneezing more. I wish I could remember which fragrances, because there are some fragrances that every... I should blow my nose again. There are fragrances that every single time I wear them, I sneeze. Let's see. Try this one. This is Paco Rabanne 1 million, or a copy of. That one's not. Yeah, I'm disappointed. I'm trying to. I don't know. Open my. Hold on. I don't want y'all to see what I got in here. I could easily just move off camera and go get a. I got a big ass like 24-pack of tissue, but I don't want to go get it. So use this one. Hold on. Now let me blow my nose right quick. I'm wondering if I have all of it. After spraying all those perfumes, my nose is starting to like run a little bit. So I'm getting mucus buildup in my nose. So I'm wondering if that mucus is protecting me from being able to sneeze. Sorry. I know somebody's nasty and wish they could see my snot. Sorry, that's not going to happen. All right, what's our next? Maybe I should spray the same ones again, just double check. I for real can't believe that I'm not sneezing. I just knew I would sneeze more. Yeah, okay. Maybe I just can't induce sneezes. Every single time I spray perfume, I sneeze. So I can't believe I'm not sneezing anymore. I think just like that, my body has like adjusted. That's boring. You ruined my video, body. Nobody told you to adjust. But I got like a burning sensation in my nose. But yet a sneeze won't come. Man! Y'all, I'm mad. I'm gonna keep going. Maybe I'll take my mind off of it. Just pretend like I'm getting ready. Because usually when I'm doing this, I mean, well, I'm definitely still allergic. My nose burning like hell, but I ain't sneezing. Come on, sneeze. Can I get high or drunk from smelling these? It's the alcohol. These are definitely alcohol based. Yeah, I'm floored right now. Like, I'm for real. Like, I can't believe that I'm not sneezing anymore. Because normally it does not matter. But I guess I'm not just sitting there spraying 10 bottles of perfume on myself either. It's right there. I just can't sneeze. But I tasted it in my mouth. Y'all, I'm gonna stop complaining. Oh. So my nose is on fire. Oh, but yet I can't sneeze anymore. What else? What you doing? I'm sorry. think my body has adjusted to the point that I'm not going to sneeze anymore, but I'm just gonna sit here and burn, huh? Oh my gosh. This is my fake Dylan blue. Oh, I haven't even worn this one yet. My first time. No sneeze. You know what else makes me sneeze? Oh no, it doesn't make me sneeze. It gives me hiccups. Honey! Go get me a pepper. Whenever I eat peppers, I get hiccups. Do we have any jalapenos? Give me a jalapeno. Look, I gotta go to my next trick because I can't believe that I'm not freaking sneezing. I always sneeze. Did you give me a jalapeno? Bring me a habanero. But we do have a pickled jalapeno in that pickle jar with those pickled eggs. I just organized this damn perfume drawer. I don't know why I'm taking all my stuff out. My whole inventory. Okay, let's see. Oh, that burned my lip. Yeah, I can't even sneeze. I think it's because I spray so many. It's not like I'm gonna stop trying though. You can hear I'm getting stuffy. Thank you much. Why are you giving this ice cold shit? We have like red ones. It's alright. Let me wash it off. I don't know what this stuff is. Oh, sorry, I cursed too much. I'm like, we have perfect, like, we have fresh. Oh, never mind. You put them in the freezer too. I'm about to say, we have fresh. I'm too quick tempered. I gotta stop that. We have fresh habaneros. I'd bring me the frozen ones, but I realized he put the fresh ones I just bought yesterday in the freezer too, so it didn't matter, right? All right, this is my next trick. Let's see if it works. Like, I'm disappointed. Maybe, should I keep going with the perfume? Woo! Next one. Well, I'm gonna smell good. I want to either smell good or stanky to somebody. Again, I can feel like it's like right there, but it's not gonna come. You know what's happening? I'm just making more mucus. Now my nose is getting ready to start running like crazy. All right, did I spray this one? Come on, Kenzo. Man, I think that's it, y'all. I think after the first sneezes, my body was like, okay. Normally, though, like, let's say, because I have a habit sometimes, I'll go out of the bathroom, go about my day, do whatever, and if I come back in and spray perfume, I sneeze my eyes not swollen up, are they? I sneeze every single time. I guess I can't sneeze back to back. To back. But if I, like, seriously, like, put, like, an hour in between it, and let's say I want to come top up my perfume, I'm going to sneeze. Oh, well. All right, so my next trick, which I kind of don't want to do with the habanero, wish it was a jalapeno, is hiccup. Usually when I eat something spicy, if it's really good and spicy, I get the hiccups. Let me see. Let me dissect this thing a little bit. Ew. Ew. Maybe I shouldn't look in there. That junk looks a little moldy. I'm not gonna eat that part one. I'm gonna take this. Those seeds look a little funky, even though it's frozen. All right, we're gonna take this little piece here. Let's see if this is any spicy. Really? Okay, I was just about to say, I was about to say, where's my hiccups? I'm like, I'm chewing it. It's definitely spicy. Why do I feel like I can? I feel like I can eat this entire habanero after I just said it was moldy. No more. I don't expect to hiccup again. But whenever I eat something that's hot, my first couple of bites of it, I always, I always hiccup. So that's a little interesting fact about me. Seriously, let's say if I did those mukbang videos. Whenever I eat chicken, I usually like to eat a pepper. If I ever did a mukbang video and I was eating something spicy, I'm gonna always hiccup. Always, always, always. Like my first bite, forget it. I'm gonna hiccup. And I sometimes do that with hamburgers. If I'm eating like a real good all beef hamburger, I will hiccup. Oh my God. All right, so that was that. Okay, I'm disappointed. Oh well, it was fun though. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just knew I was gonna sneeze more, you guys. So I guess all I got is one hiccup and like one big ass sneeze. But normally, I'm telling you, I am telling you, I sneeze more. So I don't know another way to induce a sneeze, child. That's it. That is it. That is all. Look, let me put my perfume back. Over here, mouth hot. But I love hot food. Love spicy. Whenever I'm eating, if there's pepper in it, I'm eating it. Like I just got through eating some like mala chicken or yeah, pretty much. It was pretty much mala chicken or Szechuan chicken. Everybody has their own interpretation of it, but I had one with the crunchy fried chicken bits, and they have a whole lot of red chili peppers diced up in there. Damn, they just cheat you out of your money and give you a big bed of peppers, and then there's some chicken. But yeah, even when I eat that, I eat the peppers too. It's like I love peppers. I ain't skipping over a pepper. If I'm eating like some fried chicken, I'm gonna order me a pepper and I'm gonna be sitting there eating my chicken and my pepper. Just like that. Like I love peppers. I make rice and I dice up habanero peppers and red onions and put that all in it. I love spicy food. Love, love, love. Cucumbers, slice those up with salt and some cayenne pepper. Yes. Like that's how much I love spicy things. So I know some people are looking at me like, this girl eating habanero. Yes. I can eat this whole thing, but I'm not because it's kind of nasty. But yeah, that's interesting facts about me. And I usually sneeze my ass off. Maybe it's because I'm talking. Man, I'm just bummed I sneeze more. I usually sneeze a lot when I spray perfume. Like it's not just one sneeze, just oh God, oh God. I know my husband be like, girl, quit spraying it. And maybe he'll stop. And I always hiccup when I'm eating peppers. Like that one wasn't good though because it was frozen. If I had a good fat jalapeno, like a pickled one, I think we would have got more action. But anyways, thumbs up the video, you guys. Leave me some comments. Give me some more ideas on things to do. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.